Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Live with Hassan Akhtar. Viewers, our today's lesson from class 9th, unit number 3, exercise 3.3. Before I start question number 1, I just give you a recap. In our previous class, we completed these 4 laws of logarithms and also completed their proofs. Viewers, today in exercise 3.3 solution, we will be applying these rules. You will come to know how these laws are applied to solve the questions. Question number 1, write the following into sum or difference. That is, the value is given to you in the frame of product. You are asked to convert into sum or difference. The first part is log A cross B. It can be solved as log A cross B is equal to log A plus log B. How? Very easy. By using the first law of logarithm, you can see that it converts the product into sum. Second part, log 15.2 over 30.5 is equal to log of numerator minus log of denominator, that is log of 15.2 minus log of 30.5. Again, it is according to second law of logarithm. Log of m over n base a can be written as log m base a minus log n base a. Hope these are very easy and clear. Moving to the next part, part number 3. The value is log of 21 multiplied by 5 whole over 8. Viewer, at the place of numerator, this is the multiplication, will be converted into plus by using first law of logarithm, whereas the denominator will be written like sign minus by using the second law of logarithm. So log 21 multiplied by 5 whole over 8 can be written as log of 21 plus log of 5 minus log of 8. And these are the kind of questions may come inside your objective papers. Moving to the next part number 4. Log of cube root of 7 over 15. Solution, it can be written as log of cube root of 7 over 15. Viewers, you know very well cube root mean the exponent is 1 by 3. So changing the sign of radical, that is cube root sign, we write the exponent, that is 1 by 3. Now have a look at this. It is of the frame of third law of logarithm, that is this is somewhat value whole power n. Power comes first of all according to third law, that is log m power n base a is equal to n log m base a, so that power comes first of all and the remaining is same, that is 1 by 3 log 7 over 15. Now this is according to the second law of logarithm, can be written as 1 by 3 is outside, overall that is 1 by 3 into log 7 minus log 15. You know that log of quotient converts it into the sign of minus, that is the statement of second law of logarithm. Moving to the next part number 5, the value is log of 22 whole power 1 by 3 whole divided by 5 power 3. We will first apply second law of logarithm, that is it is of the frame log m over n. So we have log 22 whole power 1 by 3 minus log 5 whole power 3. Both are now in the frame of third law of logarithm. Power will become earlier. So the first one can be written as 1 by 3 log 22 minus 3 log 5. That is my answer because that is a simplified one. The next part number 6. We have the value log 25 multiplied by 47 whole over 29. Its solution can be written as log of 25 plus log of 27 minus log of 29, that is the sign of multiplication at the place of numerator. According to first law of logarithm, product is converted into sum, whereas the quotient, the denominator, comes with sign minus according to second law of logarithm. So basically we are applying both the two laws, first and second. Hope it is easy and clear. We now move to the next question, that is question number 2. Statement says express log x minus 2 log x plus 3 log of x plus 1 minus log of x square minus 1 as a single logarithm. Starting our solution, writing the same values as it is without any change in the first step of solution. In the next step, this is the third law of logarithm frame. 2 is written earlier, we can shift it to the top like you can see in the next step. Same to be done in the next third value, that is this 3 will go to the top, this as power place, no other change. We rearrange the values as log of x minus log of x square plus log of x plus 1 whole cube minus log x square minus 1. First term remains same, whereas the place 4 value remains same. Here we applied third law of logarithm, shifted it to the top of exponent power place, and same this is third law of logarithm applied, and 3 goes to the power place. Next, we writing the same sign positive log values first, that is term number 1 log of x, and the third place value log of x plus 1 whole cube, we write them first. Then is minus log x square, and then is minus log x square minus 1. Viewers, here is the first law of frame, that is the sign plus. So with single log you will multiply these, whereas minus both will be multiplied but at the place of denominator. This is well clear in the next step. That is single log of x multiplied by x plus 1 whole cube divided by x square into x square minus 1. Hope clear. Next, making some simplification, denominator as well as numerator, x remains same, x plus 1 whole power 3, we can break it as x plus 1 into x plus 1 whole power 2 whole over x square can be written as x multiplied by x, whereas the next one x square minus 1, by using the formula a square minus b square becomes a minus b into a plus b. X plus 1 will get cancelled with x plus 1, and we will reach at log of x plus 1 whole square over x into x minus 1. 1x and 1x will also cancel, x plus 1 also cancel. We move to the next question. Number 3 says that write the following in the form of single logarithm. We are given two values log 21 plus log 5. We are well clear now. According to the first law of logarithm, it will become single log of product of values, that is 21 into 5. Part number 2, log of 25 minus 2 log 3. You can see here 2 is over here. According to third law of logarithm, it will become 3 power 2. So the first step becomes log 25 minus log 3 power 2. Now writing it in single frame, log of 25 whole over 3 power 2 as my answer. Part number 3. The value is 2 log x minus 3 log y. Both are of the frame of third law of logarithm. First one can be written as log x whole power 2 minus log y whole power 3. Very simple and easy. In the next step it is log x square over y cube. Part number 4. Log 5 plus log 6 minus log 2. Very simple and easy. Write single log. This plus sign will give you the product. 5 into 6 minus sign will give you the denominator value. So my final answer becomes log 5 multiplied by 6 whole over 2. That makes the answer complete. Hope you find it very easy and you can complete it. Thank you very much.